that was when I actually put my first money into investments. And I stopped hunting around for the perfect advisor. And I just thought, okay, I'm going to take control of this myself. I'm going to do it myself. And I will tell you, I was absolutely like shaking when I moved my first amount of money from savings into an S&P 500 index fund. I was absolutely terrified. And did I do it exactly the way that I would advise someone to do it today? No. I moved a big chunk all at once. And now I would say you should space that out, do it a little bit over time, use some dollar cost averaging. That's a better method. But even with that very imperfect way that I did it, I'm still so glad I did it. And ultimately, as long as you remember that investing is over the long term, as long as you do not get too caught up or emotional in day-to-day swings or year-to-year swings, as long as you keep a time horizon at least 5 years out, preferably 10, preferably 20, your money goes up, right? And every structure in the US economy is built to keep the stock market going up and to put backstops in against it sliding down too far, right? Ever since the Great Depression, we've put a lot of laws in place that really help the market, prevent market tumbles from ever getting too disastrous. And I find great comfort in looking back at the data from the various stock market indices over time and seeing that, yes, even though sometimes there's a big spike and then a big drop, and those drops are really freaking scary, especially if your money is in them and you're experiencing it in your own portfolio, looking at the historic data and seeing over 100 years of the S&P 500, that thing just climbs.